Let me ask you something, and I really want you to think about this. If a bank pulled your business profile today, not your Instagram, not your lifestyle, not what you think your business is doing, but your actual paperwork, will they see a business they want to fund or will they see confusion? Because here's what I've learned working with entrepreneurs. Most people aren't broke in real life. They're just broke on paper. They're making money, they're busy, they're grinding, and they're stressed. But when it comes time to apply for funding, suddenly the story changed. Now, this is what I see. Why is the bank asking for this? Why do they want 2 years of tax returns and financials? What that usually do when I have to tell them something about what they don't want to hear. You don't have the money problem. You don't have the bankable problem. And that's exactly what I want to fix. Let's clear something up right now. Bankability has nothing to do with how hard you work. It has nothing to do with your talent, and it's definitely have nothing to do with what motivates you. Banks don't fund effort. They fund clarity. When a bank looks at your business, they're not asking, is this person ambitious? They're asking, does this person business make sense? Is the income consistent? Is you the owner disciplined? Is this predictable? And this is where most entrepreneurs go wrong. They think, I made the money this year, I should qualify. But banks don't care about what you made. They care about what's on paper. They don't see the patterns. They don't see the intentions. They see what's on paper. That's bankability. Let me tell you what I see all the time. I see entrepreneurs who say, I don't want to pay taxes. So they write off everything. Okay, but now your business shows no profit. Then they say, I don't want to do payroll. So I just pay myself whatever. Okay, but now there's no consistency. Then they say, I just use my personal account. It's easier. Okay, but now there's no separation. So on paper, what does the bank see? No profit, no structure, no discipline. Even if you're making money, the business look risky. And banks do not lend money to a risky business. This is why someone making $80,000 with clean books will get approved faster than someone that's making $300,000. That part hurts people's feelings, but it's true. This is another big issue. Most entrepreneurs are stuck chasing credit cards. New cards, high limits, inquiries, another temporary win. But credit cards are not the real money. They're short-term tools for people who haven't built long-term structure. Banks reserve real capital, lines of credit, term loans, real estate funding for businesses that look boring, stable, and intentional. If your entire funding strategy is personal credit, you're playing defense, not offense. Bankability is about qualifying so money comes looking for you, not the other way around. When I work with entrepreneurs, I'm not just asking, can we get you some money? I'm asking, how do we make your business make sense on paper? How do we clean this up without killing your cash flow? How do you make businesses feel safe lending to you? This means intentional income structure, smart deductions, not emotional write-offs, payroll that makes sense, and financials that tell a clear story. Because once your story makes sense, approvals follow. If you're tired of getting denied, guessing what banks want, and feeling like you make money but can't access it, then you don't need another hustle energy. You need structure. Comment bankable below or click the link in the description. Let's stop looking broke on paper and to the bank and start qualifying for real money.